Everyone is wiring MCP sockets. Almost nobody asks what knowledge flows through them. That gap is the new AI context stack. 2 layers. Model Context Protocol is the universal socket. Tools, live data, actions. Google Open Knowledge Format is the durable knowledge, a Git folder of markdown your agents can walk. MCP alone is a dead socket. You can connect tools and still have no company truth. Connection without knowledge is just empty pipes. Stack them. MCP on the bottom, OKF on top. The agent asks through the socket, then reads structure company files instead of guessing from chat history. Why not RAG? Vector chunks, guess. OKF is curated link truth with progressive disclosure. Kill the fuzzy dump. Keep the context window clean. The loop is simple. Agent calls an MCP tool. Tool serves OKF pages. Links hop the knowledge graph. Git reviews every change before it becomes agent memory. Honest catch. OKF is still early. Best for stable expertise, not every Slack thread. Start where the truth already lives. Bigger picture. Stop shipping agents with sockets and no brain. Connection plus knowledge. That is the context stack. That is Google OKF plus MCP. The AI context stack explained. Like and subscribe if you want more agent plumbing taken apart for real.